Welcome back to Boating with Fraser. We have now finished the rebuild. We are ready to take it out on the water. What a process this has been. But let me take you back to where it all started. 5 months ago I picked up this boat for $1,200 on Marketplace. Picked it up, took it home, started by removing the engine, gutting the whole boat out, and starting from a base there. Here she sits on foam, resprayed the trailer, rewired the trailer, took the transom bracket off, repainted the transom, checked out the transom. It was a little bit soft but kept the bracket on, ended up painting the transom, rewired the whole boat, redid the speakers. Basically everything in this boat has been touched up or fixed to some degree or upgraded. Then I bought this Yamaha 140 for $700. It's not a runner, but I wanted to fix it, so I bought a brand new rebuild kit, pulled out a piston and saw that the rings had seized to the piston, so started rebuilding this engine from the ground up. All new bearings, all new pistons, everything brand new, painted, even did some welding, sanded. What an experience it has been. Even dropped the power head back on and bam, she was done. Over 5 months, had this thing running, and now we are finally ready to get it on the water. Hope you enjoy. Cheers. Hold on. Yeah. We are away. What a day for it. First time the boat is in the water. And look at how good we're going. First test run for the dog. How are we going? Bloody good day out here, boys. Yeah. Oh mate, fuck, look at the spray though. Can you hold it steady while I see the spray? Oh, it needs to be lower. I need to drop the engine lower. Yeah. Go have a look. The engine needs to be lower. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. Heck yeah. Right, your turn, mate. Well, she's all good to go. This has been the rebuild series. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna have to drop the motor a little bit because she's spraying a bit, as you saw before. But no, it's been an awesome project. I've loved every second of it. There's been ups, there's been downs, but we're finally here, out on the water, and it's bloody awesome. So, thank you so much for watching. Peace. See you next time.